Are you upset because you have to find the molecular mass of chromium-3 oxide? Well, my friend, I'm going to turn that frown upside down because you're going to be pleasantly surprised at how easy this really is. Watch. Bam. So the first step is we're going to write down the elements we see in the compound, right? So we have chromium, Cr, and we have oxygen, O. Next is then to write down the number of atoms of each, and that's where the subscripts come into play. So the subscript of chromium is a 2, and that means we have 2 chromium. The subscript of oxygen is a 3, so that means we have 3 oxygens. Next, we're going to take those number of atoms and then multiply it by the mass of each particular element, which is found on the periodic table. So let's take a look. Chromium's mass is 52, oxygen is going to be 16, and those masses can be in gram per mole or AMU depending upon if you're finding molar mass or molecular mass. We're just going to write down the magnitudes because, quite honestly, that's all that we care about. So 52, right, for chromium, and oxygen is going to be 16. Then, to find the total mass of each element of the compound, you just got to simply multiply the row. Look at how easy that is, right? So 52 times 2 is 104. By gosh, by golly, I hope I'm right with that. And 16 times 3 is 48. I hope I'm right with that too. You're like, you hope you're right. I hope you're right too. All right. Now I'm having a conversation with myself. Add up this column to find the total. All right, so it's going to be 152. And since we're solving for molecular mass, the units here are in terms of AMU. And if you're confused, if you think that's a 152.W, I wouldn't disagree with you. It should be 0.00. But you know my handwriting. That doesn't look good. That looks better. I don't even know. All right, well, that's it. That's all I got for you. That's the molecular mass of chromium-3 oxide. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.